Okay, what's going on, guys? So it is a Sunday afternoon and I'm gonna be getting my Jeep ready for another work week. I like to freshen it up, just do some basic maintenance things to make sure it's gonna be good and safe and reliable for me for the next week. So let's get going. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and give it a little wash, and then we'll go from there. So what I am doing here is I am going to be checking my oil. I like to do this every week just to be sure, and it's a good thing to redo regularly just so you know the health of your motor and how well your oil is, and if it's topped off. It's just a good thing to look because you never want to run it dry. What I am going to be doing now is checking my coolant overflow as I'm doing now, and then checking my power steering fluid. I did find that there was a leak in the system, and you will find that out here in a second, but I like checking all my fluids, especially like this, because you never know when you have something like this. You don't have to check it weekly, but periodically you should check all your fluids just in case. So I am glad I checked the power steering fluid because it is low. My coolant is perfect, power steering fluid is low, so we'll go ahead and top that off. So I'm going to be using this power steering stop leak in there just because it's a product I've been using for years and it seems to be working great in all my vehicles. So let's go ahead and top that off. I do know I have a leak, which is something I just found, so I'll go ahead and take care of that, but in the meantime, this will do. These Lucas Oil products truly are amazing. I have been using their oil additive and their power steering fluid stop leak in my vehicles for years. They have done me great and I have had great luck with them. So if you are in need of anything like that, just go ahead and check their products out. I highly recommend them. Looks like it is perfect. So I am glad I took care of that. And now what we're going to do is check our tire pressure in all of our tires. I like to run anywhere between 33 psi and 35. Today I'm going to be checking it at 35, and hopefully they all are there. If they're not, we will go ahead and air them up a little. Yeah. Okay, so as it turns out, all of my tires are pretty low. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this Viair setup that I have and air up my tires. Okay, so I got all my tires aired up, and I'm now over here next to my garage side because this light has been a little floppy for a while, and I'm gonna go ahead and tighten that screw up. Just little things will help, so here we go. So I know I should be using a socket, but I just like using wrenches. I don't know. Brings me back to the old days when I was a kid. Didn't have much tools. And for little jobs like this, it really doesn't hurt. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this one up. It's pretty on there. This one's a little loose now, so I'll go ahead and tighten that up and wrap this up. Okay, so I got it all tightened up and everything should be good to go. This Jeep is ready for another week. I hope you guys are too. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for staying till the end, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.